battery energy storage systems, or BESS, are critical to powering our future. They store clean energy for when we need it most, and IBEW 569 members, both our inside wiremen and our sound technicians, are leading the way in building them safely and efficiently in San Diego and Imperial counties. IBEW 569 sound technicians are trained experts in low-voltage systems, everything from structured cabling, fiber optic, and life safety systems. On a BESS project, their work ensures the entire system delivers the highest standard of safety and reliability. From integrating fire detection and notification systems to detect fire and gas, to installing power-limited systems that manage BESS automation and prioritize physical security, and providing the local area networks that store real-time data, control processes, and form the backbone of BESS communications. IBEW sound technicians provide operators with the ability to monitor battery health, thermal conditions, and safety and fault detection every second of the day. At IBEW 569, sound technicians complete 816 classroom hours and a minimum of 6,400 on-the-job training hours, including passing a rigorous state voice data video and fire life safety certification exam to become an IBEW 569 sound journeyman. That means code and contract compliance, workforce standardization, higher quality work, and improved safety, ensuring every member returns home safely every day. BESS is the future, and when it comes to building it, no one does it better than IBEW 569.